Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking Sambal Chilli. So let's start cooking. Now we prepare the chili paste. This is 50 grams of dried shrimps which I've hydrated and soaked them in water for approximately 20 minutes. Reserve the water that you use to soak the dried shrimps in. We'll use that to make the chili paste in a while. So just put that into my magic mix processor. I'm just going to grind them for just a little while. This is how I like it to be. A little bit of bigger pieces over there because I like the prawn bits when I bite into the chili. So now we'll just put this aside and we'll make the onion paste or shallot paste. Now we'll make the shallot paste. These 200 grams of small onion or shallots. Put them into your food processor. 30 grams of garlic in and 20 grams of ginger. To make it easier to form a paste, I'm adding in a quarter cup of oil. So we'll close it and we'll mix this up and turn this into a paste. This is exactly how I want it to be. Very finely chopped up, almost paste-like. Now we'll process the chili. In the same bowl, I've already removed the shallots, but using the same bowl back again, I'll add in 25 grams of dried chili that I've hydrated and taken the seed out. Put them in. Add in also 150 grams of fresh chili, as well as 4 stalks of lemongrass using only the white stalk. Put everything into. I will also add in 50 grams of belacan. I've dry toasted this. It actually comes in a block, so measure the desired amount, which is 50 grams that I'm using over here, and fry them until they crumple at low heat. So I'm just going to add them in also. Now we add in 1 cup of the water that I used to hydrate the dry shrimp with. Spread them out a little. And blend this as finely as possible. Okay, so this is done. I'll show you how it looks like. The chili that I'm making is actually quite a fair bit because I like a lot of my dishes with this chili, so I'm making more. But of course, if you like it in smaller portion, you can always do it. But since it takes, quite a fair bit of time to prepare this, I would like to make it in big batches. Okay, so now we'll go and fry the chili. Heat up a pan at medium heat. We'll put in half a cup of oil. Now for frying chili, this is a must-have actually. You need oil to be inside there in order to make the chili paste fragrant. First we'll fry the shallot paste until fragrant. Put them in. Remember, always fry your chili paste at medium or low heat, never at high heat, because you don't want to burn them. Fry them until you can smell the fragrance that's coming out from here. It will take approximately around 5 to 8 minutes. Once you see oil flowing in the center of this shallot or onion paste, it's time to add in the chili. Now this is pretty spicy because I use a lot of dried chili. If you don't like too spicy, you can always reduce the amount of dried chili over here. We'll add in the dried shrimps now. This is very good for making barbecue fish, eating on its own as a condiment for other dishes, and any kind of seafood they want to fry chili with. Mix them up well and stir them. This will take approximately about 20 minutes, 25 to maybe 30 minutes. This chili is very versatile. You can even use this chili paste for chili crab. By adding in ketchup, breaking in an egg, it will be fantastic. Now when your chili is dry like this, it's almost done. We just need to add in sugar. There's no need to add in any more salt because the belacan that we use, the dried shrimp that we use are all salty. So give it a taste first. If it's salty enough, then you don't have to add in any more salt. But do add in some sugar. We need to balance up the taste. So I'm adding in 2 teaspoons of sugar. Now if you like a little bit of chili oil inside your chili, by all means add in a little bit more oil. If you like dry like this, You can actually place a little bit on this on your steamed rice, mix it up well, and it tastes really good too. So you just need to mix this up. Right, you can see that the color has turned into a dark red. This is exactly what we're looking for. Give it one last taste before you take it out of the pan. Yummy. Very good. Okay. So we'll take this out from the pan and leave it to cool before we use what we want to use and keep the rest. Our sambal chili is done. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.